Hi guys, so for this summer tomato salad you need lots of fresh tomatoes that you have, some red onion, some spinach as well, some cider vinegar, and then some extra virgin olive oil to drizzle over to make it all lovely and fresh. I've added some cashew nuts, but if you have anything else you can add maybe pine nuts, that's fine. So firstly what you want to do is you want to chop up all those tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Once you've done all of that, you can just generously give it a lovely dressing of olive oil and season with some salt. On goes some lemon juice as well, and just give it all a good mix with your hands or with a spoon, and even add in that spinach as well to it. So for the red onions, what I do is I drizzle over some cider vinegar and some salt, and I'll leave that to macerate for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it will take on that lovely flavor. So when you're dressing the salad, just kind of pile everything onto a lovely plate and then drizzle over any extra virgin olive oil if you want to add more, and then those little red onions that will just give it a very nice tang. And then what I have done with the cashew nuts is I've just lightly roasted them or toasted them in the oven, that's fine, and then just put them on top.